Welcome to Kaizer Chiefs here to Network. My name is Fumani Mtombeni and I'm with Mr. George Makeleni and Mr. Spiwe Matswan. Yeah, how are you guys?
Good.
Okay. So today we're going to talk about Tsogofatso Mabasa and the coach that is batting. Not rumored. I'm not looking for that one. When you want to say, allegedly. Yeah, allegedly. Coming back to the country. Yes. to Kaizer Chiefs. It's not confirmed yet. It's not, we don't know, but we will see. We will get to that. You will get to hear the name when we get to that. So when we speak about Tsogofatso Mabasa, we have a whole episode where I was speaking to Mr. Makeleni, and we had somebody give us a view of their own about the signing, if it would be a good idea or whatnot. So today you get the opportunity to tell us what do you think with the talks that have been happening for Tsogofatso Mabasa.
I have it on good authority that he's going to be signing a pre-contract with Kaizer Chiefs now January, but he's going to come end of the season, right? Which will be a very good signing. Remember that Kaizer is here from Belizwe on loan, so he might leave. You understand? They might want a transfer fee which Kaizer Chiefs might refuse to pay because it's 15. It might be around the 15 millions. They don't like paying such amount. They said that they don't pay an amount which is equal to the league, winning the league for just a player. They can't do that, which makes business sense. But also, you know that they don't get 15 million only. They have a lot of other ways of making money. Those people, they're a big institution, right? But I understand. So, Tsogofatso Mabasa, very, very dynamic player. The coach that you are going to speak about wanted him when he was in Sundowns. And they had a back and forth with the technical director, Mr. Fleming Beck, right? So, for Orlando Pirates, we would have got Maseka Mago, Thabiso Moyoane,
yes,
and a striker. Shot in midfield. Then Sistripile, started defense, started midfield, started striker. Because I can guarantee you that Tsogofatso Mabasa, you can have me on record now. If he plays 20 games, he's not going to have less than 7 goals for Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Because he's a clinical striker.
He was once a top goal scorer.
Twice. Yeah. He was twice a top goal scorer of the league. 15 goals, beating Ikram Reyners. Second, beating Ikram Reyners. Then coming short to Ikram Reyners just a bit. You understand? So he's a good striker. Also playing fewer games.
Yeah.
Because they've always preferred not your favorite striker.
Yeah, not my favorite striker.
Because you said your favorite striker is Igador.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
and Da Silva, yeah.
Okay, Da Silva, that guy, but he's clinical.
Yeah. Those are my favorite strikers.
Da Silva is clinical.
Yeah.
He can play with Tsogofatso Mabasa Pambil. Yeah, 4-4-2.
Yeah.
So, anyways, I believe that he's a striker that can go deep. He's a striker that can run into the box. He's a striker that can score tap-ins. He's a striker that can score from afar, 30 meters, not 30 meters, 15 meters. Understand? He's very, very good. He's a good footballer as a whole. So, I don't think it would be a bad signing. It's actually a good signing, considering that they are going to get him for a free. If the person that told me this information is true, because they told me on Twitter that it's almost done.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then what's your take, Mr. George?
Yeah, I think, Kai, it's good news for Kaizer Chiefs because we need more strikers, and he's a good finisher also. So that's what we need, and something that because of Monga pieces we are short of. Okay, defense Mnandi, a midfielder Mnandi Nyana, a striker. We are short.
Of goals.
We are short. We are short of goals more than anything.
Because of when we win matches, it's sketchy.
Yeah, it's sketchy, and about 1-0, 2-1.
Yeah.
About 2. So we Chiefs must go back to being the Chiefs they are,
the prime Chiefs. Yeah. So another good question. If you look at Tsofatso Mabaso and look at the catalogue of strikers that we once had who Kaizer Chiefs, who would you compare him to?
Very good question.
Nomvet.
Yeah, maybe.
Nomvet. Nomvet.
I know Nomvet was a beast.
I know Nomvet was a beast,
but he can. Tsofatso Mabaso also has that potential to become a beast. How many goals did Nomvet score all time? You remember we're looking at the all-time goal scorers. The number 1 was who? Peter Shadulile. Number 2 was who? Hobla. Nomvet was number 3.
He had a number 1 spot for a very long time.
Congratulations to Nomvet, Pere Nomvet. But Tsofatso Mabaso almost overtook Benedict Vilakazi's leading goal scorer without even playing that much. You understand? If he can get his form, I'm saying to you, if he can play 20 games first season, he'll score 27 goals. Second season, it will be more.
Okay.
So we can compare him to Belen Nomvete. I think he's only 25 years.
You know who does he remind me of? And I think maybe the one I'm gonna say is, I don't know. You'll tell me if I'm wrong. But I see Prime Katahompel.
He's killer.
Yeah, killer.
I don't know.
Yeah,
I don't know.
no,
I think
fine.
That's the fair one. Yeah. Nomvete, you.
But to be honest, you Killer was better than Nomvete. It's just that Nomvete una longevity. Udlala isikhathi eside and beka discipline. Yabo. Beyangashaya amawati intambo zikafara nedora nana. uKiller uyakhumbula la Africa ke akashawa ikhakhazila silapha.
Baba.
Aqeda ukuphuma ebenchini amehla raider kaKiller. Shawa ikhakhazila kwaba wakha raider amehla.
I know that was prime Katlahompe.
I was good, but in terms of discipline, Nomvete, I know discipline, and he played for long. Yeah, you are right.
Okay, I know.
You are right.
No, I don't want to be right. I'm going to donate your opinion. I'm not disagreeing with it. I'm just like saying like, yo.
You said that if you are wrong, you might be wrong, we should tell you. So you already gave us a right to tell you. So if you are wrong, we're going to tell you. I hope you are right.
Okay. Now let's get into the alleged situation about a coach. We did have a video. You can also check in our catalog of videos there where we spoke about the potential coaches that we want for our team. I believe he was not even on the list, this coach. But yeah, you can announce what the Scorpions have told us.
Yeah, before we announce, don't forget to subscribe. Before we continue, subscribe. So this one is not confirmed, right? It's alleged. As you use the English word. So according to me, I don't think it will happen. But soccer is a funny game, you understand? Because Rolando Mukwena is number 1 in the, what do they call that league? The Portel. Algerian league. They call it the Portel or what? I forgot what they call it, but the Algerian league is number 1, sitting comfortable in on top of the log, right? So obviously, the possibilities is going to win the league. That's the possibility. He's still competing in the Champions League. Of course, sometimes what coaches do, if they win the league and the Champions League and they win everything, they reach the ceiling, like we're talking about PSG. He creates family problems so that he can go somewhere else where the pressure won't be, you have to do it again. You get my point? Jose Mourinho is a typical example. He won the Champions League with Porto, Lebo Deco, Lebo Benny McCarthy, he went to Chelsea at the same time on tour. Even Rivero, family problem. You get my point? So, should he come, I'm telling you, Chiefs will transform. Bafana, I heard Junior Kanye speaking that in the last AFCON, he was advising Hugo Bros. With his players, 7 of them playing, and you saw what Bafana was compared to now. You get my point? So he's a man that is able to work in the psychology of players. He knows how to work in the psychology of players. Jose Mourinho, once again, he said there was a team where he chose 2 captains, and the team was losing 3-0. And before halftime, Bajwa 3-0, when they went to halftime, the players told him, we want to talk to these guys. You can be sure that they sweat. Nonsense. When after 2 minutes, they already did the dirty job for him. He can coach. You understand? So Rolani Mukwena, look at them called Tebza. Look at Ronan Williams. They are no longer the same, these players. All of them. Since Rolando Mukwena, you can see how much of a manager he is. You understand? This is what you need with Kaizer Chiefs, because these players, they're not so bad as we see them to be. They need somebody who's going to motivate them, manage them, and also be able to play mind games.
Yeah.
You understand? In soccer, this is a sport. You must be able to play mind games as a coach, right?
Yeah.
Be able to play mind games. For example, Jose Mourinho Cup Champions League. The toughest team was Manchester United that time. So he kept on telling his players, guys, I want us to play Manchester United. But he knows that, hey, he's afraid of them. You understand? But he's telling them, I want us to play Manchester United. When the draw came, they were drawn against Manchester United. They were sitting in one place. But the player, they celebrate when they got Manchester United. So for him, if they don't play Manchester United, he was going to be happy because he will get an easy team. But if they get Manchester United, he will be happy because he's already brainwashed these guys that for us to be the best, we must beat these guys.
Yeah.
So you need some type of coaches like that who are technical, modern coaches.
So you said his name more than 3 times. So I believe he's your favorite coach.
My favorite coach is Sir Alex Ferguson.
Okay.
The second one is Sir Bob Robson.
Okay.
The third one is Angelotti. The fourth one is Mourinho.
All right.
Yours is who?
Mine. Well, one and only Jürgen Klopp.
Okay.
Number 2, Pitso Msimani.
In the whole world?
In the whole world.
Wow.
Yeah.
He's aroma to be going to Sundowns.
I doesn't take away from the his coaching aspect. You understand?
I'm not disputing what you're saying. I'm saying yes, I agree with
another
you.
alleged
He's
case.
rumored to be going to Sundowns.
Yeah.
So imagine if Pitso is in Sundowns, Roland is in Chiefs, Wadu is in Pirates, and Nobamniti is in. Imagine the mind games and the league, how beautiful if it goes.
The league is already interesting.
It will be worse next season. Yeah. So who's the third one?
The third one. Yeah, I'll give it to Pep. I'll give it to Pep.
Oh, Pep comes after Pitso.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, that's about it. I think
we're not speaking of coaches according to achievements, but then a coach who I'd love for them to coach me. Jürgen Klopp, Pitso, and definitely Pep Guardiola.
I want a coach that I would want to coach me. I would want Roland, of course, because I can't want somebody who's in Europe. They can't even speak my language that well. They can't even relate. If I want somebody to relate to me that I grew up in Orlando, you'll tell me about streets that I know, places that I know. You need somebody that you know. Exactly.
Now you understand why Pitso is on the list.
No, I didn't. I never had a doubt, even a shade of a doubt. I just wanted to know, in the whole world, that's your second choice coach.
If I would have a team, I'd consider these 3 coaches to come and coach my team.
So you'd want Pitso to coach Kaizer Chiefs now? Between him and Rolando, who would you want to coach Kaizer Chiefs? If you were Kaizer Motaung Junior.
The first come, first serve. Are both coaches, I love them. They're good. First come, first serve.
Pitso is available now.
I'll take Pitso.
I'll take Roland.
Let now take Roland because the game is changing. It's a modern game.
Yeah.
You need somebody who's modern. You understand? You can't be using old methods. You understand? That's the problem. Why Mourinho is number 4 in my list. He's a good coach, but he's using old methods. He doesn't want to evolve with the times. So Tanko, don't forget to like and to subscribe to our page. And Happy New Year once again.
Compliments.
Cool.